their type and use.
Papa, look, I have collected these stones. Can we use them to make our new kitchen?
No dear, we use rocks which are very hard for making floor in houses.
What are rocks? These pebbles are not rocks.
Come out dear, I will show you some rocks.
Yes, Papa, I want to learn more about rocks.
Solid part of Earth's crust is called rock. When these rocks break down, they form stones and pebbles, and their further breakdown helps to form soil. Do you know where we can find rocks?
Yes, Father, rocks are found on hills, mountains, rivers and sea.
What are Taj Mahal and Red Fort made of?
Taj Mahal is made up of white rock and Red Fort is made up of red rock.
Good try dear.
These rocks are hard.
Yes, look at this. This is granite rock. We use this to make floor tiles. Ram, like these hard rocks, there are some soft rocks also. They are chalk, slate and coal. Now tell me their uses.
Our teacher told us that chalk is used in toothpaste and blackboard chalks. Coal is used for cooking in thermal plants, steam engines. I have no idea about slate.
Very good. Slate is used in bathroom floor and blackboard roof. Marble and chalks are white in color. Sandstone is red. Coal is black. Granite is grey. And slate is black-grey in color.